Hello dears, welcome back to my English class. Last week I was teaching you about similes. Today we will be continuing with similes, but I will be teaching you how to write your own similes. So do you remember what similes are? Let's have a recap of what are similes. Now we know that in a simile, we compare two things using the words like or as, right? We compare two things, apples and candy. What is the common quality? Sweet. So over here, we are comparing apples and candy with the common quality, sweet. For example, apples are sweet like candy. The apple is as green as grass. So you can see how I have used like and as and compared two objects that have a similar quality. Remember, when you are writing your own simile, you need to compare objects which have a same quality. So I will be teaching you today how to do so. Let's take a look. Now, for example, if we need to describe an object, okay, if I ask you to describe any object, it could be a book or it could be an animal, okay. Over here, I have just taken an example of a book. So first, you need to think how you can describe it. Are you going to choose the size? Are you going to talk about the color? Are you going to talk about the shape? Or are you going to talk about the texture? So for example, if you're talking about size, huge, thin, thick. Okay, if you're talking about color, red, green. Okay, there are so many other colors. If you're talking about shape, a square book, a rectangular book, or if you're talking about texture, a rough book, a smooth book. Okay, so first you need to think of what you are going to use. Okay, from these clues which I've given you, you need to think which one are you going to choose. Okay, for example, if you're going to choose color, so okay, you have chosen the color red. Okay, now you need to think of something else that is red, and then only you can make a simile. Okay, so in my next slide I will be teaching you how to do so. Now let's take an example. Okay, over here the first object I have chosen is a knife. Okay, a knife. Now we know that knives are sharp, isn't it? We know that knives are sharp. Okay, now give me another object that is sharp. Yes, you can say glass, right? Broken glass is also sharp. So how can I make a simile here? So I can say the knife is as sharp as broken glass. Okay, that is, I have made a simile. How? I have taken two objects and remember they need to have the same quality. Now in my second one, I've used a color. For example, I've taken the word rose. Now we know that roses are red. Another object that is red, I've chosen the object blood. So I will say this rose is as red as blood. Okay, another one, children. Okay, the object children. Now we know that children like you guys are really playful. So what things are playful? Okay, we need to compare you with something that is playful. Another thing that is playful. So I've chosen puppies. So I can say my children are playful like puppies. Okay, so this is how you need to use objects and adjectives and make comparisons. Okay, so don't forget, you have to choose first one object. Now think of an adjective to describe that object. Okay, over here sharp, red and playful are all adjectives. So take an object, choose an adjective. Now once you have decided on the adjective, remember that the adjective should be related to your object. Okay, it cannot be something which is not related. So after you choose an object, choose an adjective and then choose another object that has the same features. Okay, and then you can form your similes. So you can see that making similes is very, very easy. Okay, even though it looks tough, it's really easy if you follow the rules. Okay, so the first rule is choose an object. The second rule, give that particular object an adjective, okay, a describing word. Describe it. Now, once you have described it, think of another object that fulfills the same category, okay? So, if you have chosen playful, think of another object that is playful. And once you get an object, just join the sentence, join the words using like or as. So over here I have said my children are playful like puppies. I can also say the rose is red like blood. Okay, so I can use like or I can also use has. I hope you understood this. Now look at this. We have two poems over here, okay, very simple ones, but they are full of similes. I am as quick as a cheetah. So you have seen the person, okay, over here I is the person, adjective is quick. Now, who is quick? The person is quick. Any other thing that is quick? She has chosen cheetah, okay. So you can see how we have two objects and a similar quality. Again, my eyes, okay, my eyes is the object. What color are they? They are blue. So any object that is blue in color, she has chosen ocean. You can choose even the sky. My ears, she has again chosen an object, my ears. She has taken a quality of hearing, okay, and she has chosen rabbit because rabbits have good hearing. Okay, you can also use any other animal who is good at hearing. Then my brain. Okay, she has chosen her brain. She has chosen the quality smart. Now, who is smart? She has chosen scientist. My nose, again an object. Smell, okay. Over here this is the quality. And then, who can smell? You know, now we know that bears are good at smelling. So, she has chosen bear. Okay. My heart, quality big. What else is big? Elephant. Okay, so you can see this beautiful poem full of similes. Okay, we have one more over here. I am mad as a storm. Okay, because we know that storms are very destructive. Okay, I am silly as a monkey. I am dumb as a donkey. I am tall as a tree. I am hungry as a lion. I am nice as a horse. I am loud as a thunderstorm. I am thin as paper. I am clever as my mom. Okay, so you can see over here these are two poems that deal with similes. Now for today's homework, you have to do S3. Okay, the first one is underline the similes in the lines. Okay, so you need to underline the similes. Which sentences have as and like? Those are similes. Okay, remember that if it doesn't have the words as and like, then those are not similes. Okay, now look over here. Then once you have underlined it, you need to what is compared. So in what is compared, you will write the first object. Okay, then what is it compared to? You will write the second object. And what quality is compared? You will write the quality or you will write the adjective. I will give you an example from the first line. An emerald is as green as grass. So the first object is emerald. So you will put it in the first box. What is an emerald being compared to? It is being compared to grass. So grass will come in the second box. And what quality? So over here we have chosen the color green. So green will come in the third box. Okay, so you need to do the entire poem that way. Then in question number 3, you have been given adjectives. Okay, free, fast, busy, brave, playful, strong, and warm. Now free has already been done for you. For example, let's take the adjective fast. Now first you need to choose an object that is fast. Okay, so for example, you're choosing yourself. So you can say, I am fast. Now choose another object that is fast. So most of you would choose a leopard or a cheetah, right? So you can say, I am fast like a cheetah. Okay, or I am fast like a leopard. So in that way you can use different, you can use yourself or you can use different objects. You can also say my brother is fast like a cheetah. Okay, so use different objects. Don't only use I because it doesn't sound good. Okay, and you need to, so remember, first choose an object, second choose an adjective. The adjective is already given. Okay, then choose another object that has the same quality and make it into a sentence. Okay, so I think you should be able to do it. It's really easy. Then the fourth question is, write a simile to describe an excellent swimmer. Okay, so you will write the swimmer is how? What quality are you going to give him? Okay, and he's an excellent swimmer. So what is another animal that is an excellent swimmer? Okay, so you need to choose a quality and you need to choose another animal that fulfills that quality. Okay, so that's all for today. In case you have any doubts, you can message me or you can give me a call. Stay happy, stay safe, and happy learning. Bye-bye.